Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Finally, we received the Smartwatch Storm Plus, also known as the ISW-O15 model from iTel. As you can see here, we do have the model name ISW-O15. Okay, so far this is the latest that is available in the market. They have a new wearable, but it's not yet available in the market. I guess it will be out this January 2025. For the meantime, let's have the unboxing of the O15. It is a popular smartwatch from iTel. Okay, the other one is the O11. Okay, so we are going to have the unboxing of this wearable. So if you are interested to know more about the Storm Plus, and if you are planning to get this wearable, watch this video. And again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alright, so let's start and watch the Smartwatch Storm Plus, or the ISW-O15 smartwatch. As you can see here, it is IP68 waterproof and wide view for the screen display. Hopefully we'll have a slim black border. Okay, so we have here the basic specs. ISW-O15 2.01 inch IPS 240 by 296 pixel resolution, Bluetooth version 5.3, 270 mAh battery with a IP68 waterproof resistance. iTel, original iTel product. So we do have here a sticker that proving that this wearable is original and not a clone or a fake one. So we have here some features: AI voice assistant, enhanced strap, refined experience. I'm interested to see this one. Bluetooth calling, 7 days of long battery life. Okay, so let's have the unboxing of this wearable. Okay, download the application. So seems like I'm familiar with this app. So let's see. Okay, let's continue and have the unboxing review of its specs, the design, as well as the features. With regards to the features, we are going to focus more on the UI. For the menus and full features, we'll have a second video unboxing of the iTel O15, ISW-O15. Okay, so where are we going to open this? Okay, I guess this part. Okay, so let's remove this. We have the smartwatch here, ISW-O15 user manual. Nothing else. We have a pogo pin, USB type A, magnetic. Then of course we have the smartwatch with a strap attached. Okay, flexible, sporty strap with a quick release pin. I don't see any special thing or feature about this strap. It says here, enhanced strap, refined experience. I guess maybe there's a lot of issues on the O11. So this strap here, it looks similar to other strap, except for the groove here. Okay, breathable strap with a quick release pin. It's soft with a steel buckle here, but overall it's just a common strap, I guess. Okay, so let's check on the weight of the wearable here. Again, this is the O15 ISW-O15 model. Let's check on the weight. 00. We have 43.42 grams, so just less than 50 grams in weight, even though the strap is already included. So very lightweight. Then let's remove the plastic covering here. We'll measure the dimension. So curved body frame, curved corner with the crown button on the upper side, right side. Okay, let's have a closer look. 2.5D tempered glass, plastic, yes, plastic body frame. I think it is a plastic body frame, including at the back. ISW-O15 IP68 waterproof. So as you can see here, it has a sporty look. Looks like an Apple Watch without the side button here. Okay, so nothing special about the design. Hopefully it will be loaded with features. Okay, so let's measure the dimension here. 00. How about the thickness? Hopefully it is just less than 10. Okay, 10 millimeter. We have here 10.7, including the glass. 10.8 millimeter. For the width, so it is 40, flat 40, or 39, I think. Again, it's 39, 40. I guess it is 40. Then for the length here, $50. Okay, 14.5. Okay, so it has a medium size body frame, unisex style. What we have here is the black color. It says here on the features, 2.01 high definition screen, upgraded heart rate monitoring, IP68 waterproof. So let's check about the 2.01, and it says here wide view. So let's verify, let's check. Hopefully there's still power for the smartwatch. Let's turn it on. S1 smartwatch edge, English language, scan to bind. So it is using the Fit Cloud Pro application. We'll skip this. And we have here a preloaded watch face. Let's change it to a much brighter watch face. Yes, it is wide, but as you can see here, big black border on the bottom part, slim on the left and right, including the top. Okay, if you have the black watch face, it looks good, looks nice. But if you do have a much lighter watch face, you can obviously see the black border, the wide black border on the bottom part compared on the top, right and left. But overall, it is a good screen. Okay, bright. And for the specifications, again, we do have a 2.01 inch IPS 240 by 296, Bluetooth 5.3, 270 mAh, so 2 hours of charging time, and IP68. Okay, so let's proceed with the UI. Let's check on the UI. Okay, settings and other options here. On the bottom part, we have notifications, split screen, and widgets. It is the usual menu options or menu style, UI style. You can add your own widgets here. To access the main menu, I guess press the power button. Okay, so that's it for the basic UI of our Smartwatch Storm Plus, or also known as the ISW-O15 model. Okay, again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, and if you have any inquiries, okay, suggestions, drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.